Never put these 5 foods in the fridge, otherwise you won't even know how you died. 1. Ginger. It absorbs moisture, grows mold, and loses its healing punch, causing mycotoxins from mold to damage your gut, suppress immunity, and overload your liver. 2. Bananas. Cold breaks down enzymes, spikes sugar, and clouds your brain. 3. Onions. They absorb moisture, grow mold, and release gases that harm your lungs. 4. Potatoes. Cold turns starch into sugar, then acrylamide, a cancer-linked chemical. 5. Garlic. It sprouts and molds in the fridge, killing its antibiotic power and attacking immunity. These common mistakes quietly wreck your organs, drain your energy, and leave your body exposed. Keep these out of the fridge, or your body might pay the price.